For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In an unexpected twist, special court rejected bail plea of Swapna Suresh in Kerala gold scandal. Special PMLA court in Kochi stated that there are materials on records to prove that Swapna Suresh was involved in the scandal. The investigation of the case is in its preliminary stage. The illegal activities of money laundering posed a great and serious threat not only to the financial system of the country but also to the integrity and sovereignty. The court also observed that a petitioner is an influential person and granting her bail at this stage might hamper the progress of the investigation. Even ED officials opposed the bail application moved by Swapna Suresh. The revelations made by her indicates that she had considerable influence in the office of Kerala Chief Minister. If she is released on bail, there is a chance of tampering with evidence and also influencing the witnesses. Furthermore, the ED officials also revealed that the investigation in the gold scandal is progressing and everyone connected with the crime is under scrutiny. It apprehends hurdles in the progress of the investigation if the petitioner is enlarged on bail now. The investigation is progressing and persons connected with the crime and having influence have also to be questioned. This is not the first time Swapna Suresh had appealed for bail. She had earlier appealed for bail in NIA court too. However, NIA court, Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate and Economic Offences, dismissed her pleas in separate cases. On the other hand, the Kerala government is yet to hand over the CCTV recordings of the State Secretariat to NIA. The Kerala government is yet to hand over the CCTV recordings of the State Secretariat to us. We haven't received the visuals. We will send a reminder to the Chief Secretary and inform the concerned court about this. The recordings were sought by the NIA officials after reports emerged that Swapna Suresh was a frequent visitor to the Secretariat's office. Meanwhile, opposition parties, Congress and BJP accused the government of deliberately delaying the handover of the CCTV footage. NIA has so far arrested around 20 people involved in the Kerala gold smuggling case. Over 30 kg gold worth 15 crore rupees was seized in Thiruvananthapuram International Airport on July 5th. The Customs Department opened the consignment baggage after it received a tip-off about gold smuggling through the diplomatic channel. Swapna Suresh, who is the main accused in the 30 kg gold scandal, was arrested along with Sandeep Nair by the NIA in Bengaluru. Multiple agencies including NIA, Customs and Enforcement Directorate are probing the case.